Wow, Mansory really put a spin on the Maserati MC20 Cielo convertible, but does it actually look good? What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now, move over MCXtrema. There's a new sheriff in town, and that's the Mansory kit for the Maserati MC20 Cielo. Now, Cielo means sky in Italian. Now, this kind of sky is a thunderous one because the MC20 is on a different level. Now, the Coupe and Cielo share most of the styling except the roof and the rear deck, allowing tuners to expand the availability of the kits to both versions. This also is in the case of Mansory, which just announced a new body kit for the MC20 Cielo, mirroring the visual upgrades of the Coupe introduced a year ago. Now, Mansory might call it a soft kit, but there's nothing soft about this Italian supercar. They altered the looks from every angle. The front end features a large splitter with integrated fins channeling air into the stock intakes. This is joined by a vented hood and more carbon fiber garnish around the grille, headlights, and intakes. Now, you can also find enlarged side sills with multiple fins and vents, and a new set of FV.5 one-piece forged rims measuring 21 inches at the front, 22 inches at the rear. Now, the tail is the most hard to digest due to the massive rear wing and diffuser add-on. It's really out there. Now, overall, Mansory's MC20 Cielo looks even more striking than their own MCXtrema track-only race car. Yeah, that's probably what they were aiming for, even though that Maserati is over $1 million. Now, as for the interior, it's actually quite subtle, and I like the contrast and the symmetry. Really, it features the signature contrast theme with bright yellow inserts against black suede upholstery. Now, it matches yellow accents on the dashboard and on the center console. Mansory didn't publicly announce the pricing for the MC20 Cielo kit. However, judging by the large amount of carbon fiber used in the add-ons, it's probably going to go north of $400,000. Where do I get my figures from? Well, the current Maserati MC20 for 2023 starts at $230,000 MSRP. If you jump up to the Cielo convertible, well, then you're looking at another 30 grand, 260,000 MSRP. Now with the add-ons here, well, that could be 100,000 or more for this exterior and interior refresh. So that's going to be my guess. You guys can drop down in the comments below. What do you think this costs? Do you like it? Is it worth it to you? Drop those comments. I want to know what you guys are thinking about this, how or not. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. Check out the Ron's Rise merch, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.